Is your Toyota RAV4 2019-2023 key fob not working? A dead battery is likely the cause. These models use a common CR2032 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or coin and a new CR2032 battery. Gently pry open the key fob case using the screwdriver. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up. Install the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together and test the fob. If it still doesn't work, move on to the troubleshooting section. If a new battery doesn't fix the problem, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean them gently with a soft cloth or cotton swab. As a last resort, try reprogramming the fob by referring to your owner's manual for specific instructions, or a dealer visit may be required if these steps do not work. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly. Using quality replacement batteries like Energizer or replacing before they are completely dead will drastically increase the longevity of the key fob. Be aware that cold weather conditions can drain the battery faster. Consider insulated cases for storage to preserve battery life.